Hello friends, welcome back to Analyzing Stock Market. So today we'll be talking about XAU USD, that is gold USD pair, and we'll do the forex analysis for 1st to 15th to 5th December 2025. So let's go straight to our chart. So first let's see what happened in gold USD on Friday. So as you can see in gold, 1.49% positive move, 4219.28 was the closing on Friday. So now we'll be talking about what is going to happen in coming week, and even I'll be marking some important support zone and resistance zone which will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias. And also I'll be sharing my opinion on what will happen in coming week according to my analysis and previous week movement. So let's check our weekly chart first. So let's open our weekly chart over here. So here this is a weekly chart. In this weekly chart we can see a good bullish candle with a small upper wick and a small lower wick. Currently, if I talk about the stochastic RSI is around 3940 level, which is indicating as a slight positive move. But remember, as we always say, we should not depend only on RSI or other indicators. You should also look for other factors which moves the pair, like any news or important events, and then make a decision according to that data. So now let's mark some important support zone and resistance zone on a one-day chart. So here this is a one-day chart. In this one-day chart, we can see a good amount of important support zones and resistance zones are already marked. So currently, we don't need to mark any such levels. Currently, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, do consider subscribing to my channel and click on the bell icon so that you don't miss any such weekly analysis video that I upload, and even other videos related to prop firms and funded accounts. So here, if I talk about important, there is a big gap in this resistance zone. So to fill this gap, we just need to do some markings. That is an important psychological number marking. So currently I'm doing that marking. You can also do same into your chart as well. So now let's talk about the closing. So here 4219 was the closing. Here the direct support is 4208, direct resistance is 4250. After direct support, there is a support of 4177 and then 4143. After direct resistance, there is a resistance of 4275 and then 4300. So these are two important support zone and resistance zone that will help you to take better stop loss and target levels according to your bias, and also for better judgment. Currently, if you are from India and thinking that how can I trade forex market from India, then I have already shared two prop firm links in the description. You can open your account from there and get funded. If you don't know what is funded account or prop firm, I've already made a dedicated video on what is prop firm, how it works, and what are the rules that you have to follow to get funding. Everything is available on my forex playlist. Do consider checking that out as well. Also, I have shared a discount coupon code. You can use that as well to get a discount on any challenges that you buy from the Blueberry funded prop firm. Currently, let's now talk about my opinion in gold USD pair for this week. So according to previous week closing, I'm expecting a negative move which is around 4177 to 4208. I'm expecting a negative closing in this range. Even though the trend is positive, we can see a bit of a pullback in this region. If you're going for any in this range, if you're going for any long trade, then you can go for a long trade. Once 4250 gets breached and a one-day candle in a 4-hour candle or one-day candle gets close above this, and we can go for a long. If you're looking for any long trade in this range, then only go for a long trade once 4208 gets breached, and once again it moves above 4208, then we can go for a long till 4250. If it closes above 4208 in a 4-hour or one-day candle, then we can go for a 4250, which is a retracement and then a pullback for a long trade. Overall, my expectation is a bit negative in this range for this week. What are your expectations? Do let me in the comment section. If you did like my analysis, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.